Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at how to use the PhotoNaija website to create a photo book using Google Drive, WeTransfer, and Dropbox. So basically, I've opened up the website on my browser, which is www.photonaija.com. And basically, once you do that, at the top menu, you see products. You can click products here, or you can scroll down here to click products. So I'm just going to go and click top bar for products. It shows you different products, and you can just click magazine style because I'm just going to be creating a magazine style for this demo. Alright, okay, so quick thing to note here, basically to create your product, all you have to do is just click an option down here. So it's broken out to 12 by 12, 8 by 8, and 8 by 11. Each of the products you select will have its own options here, dimensions and configurations. So basically you can select one here. Now one thing to note here is that at the top here it says if you click here and nothing happens, you should check your pop-up blocker, because that might be stopping the page from opening. So if you're having that issue and you click here, nothing happens, and you keep on staying on this page, then check your pop-up blocker. Over here, I just quickly want to jump to this. The product description is available for each product we have, and this describes each of the products. It tells you about the sizes of the page count supported, the features of each of the product, because each one has unique product features, delivery timelines to expect, and the design specifications, like what's unique about this product. For this particular product, the first and last page needs to be 12 by 12, and the inside pages need to be 12 by 24 with 12mm bleed. So these are just two examples of the 12mm bleed, and the reason why that's important is because that bleed of 12mm represents this gutter space here. So if you put an image in the bleed, like a person's face in the center of the bleed, that person's face will be in the center of the gutter, so you probably don't want that. It's not going to look nice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and create this product now. I'm just going to go here and click, and I'm just going to create a 30-page product, 15 sheets. Alright, so once you click that, it's, lets you know what product you're creating. Just make sure you're on the right product. I'm just going to give a name. We're going to call it Idris. Alright, now basically this is just for me to reference to know that this is the product that I'm creating. Now here's where you put the Dropbox, WeTransfer, and Google Drive link, or Google Drive link. Basically, if you put a link here, you don't need to manually upload. So let's go ahead and just try to start with Dropbox. To start with Dropbox, go to google.com and you type Dropbox, and Dropbox. Alright, it gives you options. You select this one, www.dropbox.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up here. If you do have an account, you can sign in here. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you just go ahead and open up an account. It's free. And then if you do have an account, just log in. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Okay. Log in, and this is what you get. Boom, what you log in. Now, Dropbox makes it very easy to upload a complete folder. And actually, most of these services do that as well. They let you upload a complete folder, so you don't have to select file by file. So here I'm just going to click upload, click folder. I already have a pre-selected folder I wanted to use for this demo called sample. Upload that. It's asking me if I really want to upload my files, and I say yes I do. It's asking me where do I want to put these files, and I'm just going to put it under the main Dropbox folder. Okay, now it's uploading these files here. Okay, so the upload is done now. You can see your file here that you created, your folder you created here. If you don't see it, just click on My Files. Maybe you're into this one, but once you click on My Files, you see your folder. You can always come back here to see your folders in the future when you log out. And here's what you now want to do. You want to click these three dots here and click Share. Once you do that, you can either share by email or share by creating a link. So right now there's no link created. It tells you that you can create a link. The link is now created. You can copy the link. Now this link that's created is copied, right? So once you you do that, go back to the PhotoNaija website, pull that product, put this here, paste, right, and that's all. You go ahead and click add to cart, and that's it if you're using Dropbox. I'm going to just show you how to use Google Drive as well, and then show you how to use WeTransfer. So assuming you're going to use Dropbox, you're done here, you can go ahead. Now let's say you wanted to use Google Drive. I'm just going to show you use Google Drive now. Let's see. Just type in Google Drive in your browser. Alright, Google Drive from Google. Okay, so once you click Google Drive and you're logged into Google, it takes you straight up to your drive, right? So this is your drive. Now all you need to do is click add new, add a new folder. You see, just like a similar way that Dropbox let us just upload a whole folder, we can also do something similar with our Google Drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and click add a whole folder, and then in a very similar fashion, you almost think it's the same app. You select where you want, I'm just going to select the same file, and then it's asking you the same question. It's almost like it's the same developers that did the Google Drive interface and the Dropbox interface. It's very similar. Alright, so you can see it's uploading here. I'll just pause it while it's done, I'll come back. Okay, alright, it's all complete. You can see it says the one upload is complete, all the files are there, and here's the file right here. So basically, once you get your files uploaded, you see this link sign here. It says get a shareable link. So basically, you could just click this, and then you have a link that you can copy. So just copy this link. I'm going to do a Ctrl+C to copy. Alright, so just copy this link, go back to the PhotoNaija website, and if you want to use Google Drive, just paste it there. That's the Google Drive link. Now if you want to use WeTransfer, just going to go here, same thing, WeTransfer, just Google WeTransfer, you see the WeTransfer link. Okay, and basically once that's done, it's going to ask you if you're using it for the first time, if you agree on the terms and conditions. Now with WeTransfer, you need to specify that you want a link right at the start. So you just specify that you want a link, and then once that's done, you could actually go ahead and scroll back up and click add your files. I'm just going to add my files. In this one, I had to select everything. It's still good. It still works. And this one gives you an option to add a message. So I'm just going to say, just for argument's sake, please use file XXX as my logo back page. It just gives you an option to send a message, so I'm just going to use that option as well. So you just click transfer when you're ready. It starts to upload, gives you a percentage, just like the other ones. And I'm just going to pause it while this is running. You can see WeTransfer gives you some nice videos to watch, but I'll just pause it while it works. Okay, so now it's all done, and I have the link right here, so you can copy your link right here. So I'm just going to copy, Ctrl+C. Okay, so once I'm done copying, I'm going to go back again to the PhotoNaija website, and if I wanted to use WeTransfer, there you go, that's my WeTransfer link. So whatever link you want to use, just use one of those three, and you don't need to upload. Just click add to cart. Very simple. Okay, so once this is in your cart, you can click checkout. Once you're done, you can put in you have to put in your details. So this is basically how you log in to check your stuff, your accounts once your order's placed. So I'm just going to put my email address. Okay. It says PhotoNaija at Gmail. gmail.com. Okay, and my phone number. Alright. Address. So basically this is where we're going to ship the item to, so you want to just check over and make sure it's very accurate. Click next step. You're done with that part. Okay, let go your order. Now you have 3 options to pay. You can pay with PayPal, cash on delivery, and bank transfer. PayPal is the fastest. Once you use PayPal, we start production immediately. Cash on delivery, this option basically is for first time users that haven't used PhotoNaija and they're a bit apprehensive of online transactions. What happens here is that you can pay on delivery, but that might involve you having to go to the courier office to physically pick up your item and pay cash. Also, this option basically is available in these cities here: Lagos, Kaduna, Port Harcourt, and Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and Kaduna. These 4 cities. Okay, with the bank transfer, what happens if you choose the bank transfer option is that we send you an email with the bank details to pay to, and once you make that payment, production starts. So basically, once you're done, just select whatever method you want and go ahead and click continue to next step, and your order is done. Alright, so you should be able to log in and view your order, and basically that's how to upload using PhotoNaija via Google Drive, WeTransfer, and Dropbox. Alright, thank you.